Hi, in this video we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies as well as the non-teaching vacancies from the 5 different state or the central universities. So here the opportunities are there to the multiple candidates. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of government job notifications. Why? Because all these are the notifications released from the state or central universities. And while coming to the assistant professor, here the pay is 56,100 rupees per month. And coming to the non-teaching vacancies, they are ranging from 25,000 rupees to 78,000 rupees per month. Fine. So please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding all the 5 different state or central universities recruitment notifications. And please give me one like for this video, guys. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down, guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video, and the links also I kept, so please check down those. Coming to the present content of the video, so the first we will start with the University of Kerala. Fine, so it is the official website of the University of Kerala, and in this one, coming to the job notifications, here you may check down, posted on 16/7/2021 regarding the guest lecturers for teaching various subjects of MSc Environmental Sciences and MSc Climate Change and Disaster Management. Actually, I got one comment in the yesterday I got one comment regarding the environmental sciences jobs. So based upon that comment, I searched this one. So I think it will be helpful to the candidates who belongs to the environmental sciences. And here the contact number is also provided. If you are having any query regarding this one, then you may contact this number, guys. And applications along with the detailed biodata are invited from interested candidates for preparing a panel of guest lectures for teaching teaching various subjects of MSc Environmental Science and the Climate Change and Disaster Management. Okay, and the course include atmospheric science, geoscience, climate change, disaster management, oceanography, remote sensing and GIS, weather and climate modeling, biostatics and ecological modeling. Coming to the required qualifications, first class MSc or MTech degree in environmental sciences or environmental science and management or environmental technology and environmental engineering or science and disaster management or the disaster management, atmospheric sciences, meteorology, climate sciences, geoinformatics, remote sensing, GIS, NET or PhD in the relevant subject must be there. That means apart from the post graduation, the candidate must have the either NET or the PhD qualification. And the age limit is below 50 years. The retired teachers and the teachers working in other universities or departments are not eligible for the consideration. And address for communication is provided. Okay, and here the mail ID is also provided, and the last date for receipt of applications is 20 days from the date of notification. So 20 days means actually it is released on 16th July 2021, so you may take plus 20. Fine. And coming to the next one, that is the University of Hyderabad. So Advanced Center of Research in Energy Materials from University of Hyderabad. So it is a central university. And from this one here we got the assistant professor temporary and documentation officer on deputation basis in Advanced Center for Research in High Energy Materials. So in this one here you may check down. The starting date is 31st 5th. That means release of employment notification is 31st May 2021. And the last date for submission of hard copy of applications by post or courier 30th July 2021. That means by this month end. And hard copies of filled in applications will not be accepted in person. That means you have to send by post or courier. Don't go personally to the university and don't try to submit. Why? Because those will not be accepted in person. Fine. And coming to the recruitment by temporary basis for teaching positions, assistant professor group A, it is academic level 10, 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month. So OBC 1 and unreserved category 2 vacancies are there. And the next one is the documentation officer group B, pay level 7, 44,900 to 1,40,400 rupees. Fine. So age limit is 56 and one post is there under the unreserved category. And coming to the assistant professor, there is no age limitation. Okay, the age limitation is not mentioned here. The tenure of faculty positions and the tenure of deputation of documentation officer up to 30th November 2021. Fine. And coming to the eligibility here, for the assistant professor post, master's degree in chemistry with 55% of marks. And apart from that one, the candidate must have the UGC NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there. Okay. So while coming to the assistant professor temporary under the one reserved category, specialization in polymer chemistry is required, as well as organic chemistry. Candidates are also required. And coming to the documentation officer, person working in central or state government organizations or universities, autonomous institutions, either working on analogous post or equivalent, having at least 5 years of experience in post level 6. Candidates must have the master's degree in library and information science with first division and holding a postgraduate diploma in the computer applications. And the application fee is provided here. For assistant professor, 1000 rupees for general category, OBC and TG. Coming to the SC, ST and PWD women category, 350 rupees. And in the documentation officer position, 500 rupees and 150 rupees for the SC, ST, PWD or the women category. Fine. A crossed demand draft drawn in favor of finance officer, University of Hyderabad, payable at Hyderabad, should be sent with the application towards registration fee, and a separate application along with separated DD must be submitted if candidates wants to apply for more than one post. Fine. So these are all the instructions, guys, and I will provide this PDF links in the description box of this video, so you may check down to get the more details. And the next one is Department of Finance and Business Economics, University of Delhi South Campus. This notification released on July 14, 2021, and here the online interview for appointment of guest faculty in the Department of Finance and Business Economics. So if you belongs to MBA Finance and MBA Business Economics program, okay, then here the specializations as well as the caste category wise the number of vacancies are also mentioned. Then the interested and the eligible candidates may send your CV to dfbedu@gmail.com by 17th July 2021. That means today is the last day to apply for this one. And coming to the next university, that is Maharaja Bhupinder Singh Punjab Sports University, Patiala. So from this one here we got the advertisement, and online registration closes on 21st July 2021 and end on 9th August 2021. Fine. That means it starts, this post will starts on 21st July and end on 9th August 2021. And the last date of submitting of hard copy is the 12th August 2021. And the university website is provided here, and the contact numbers are also provided here, so you may check down, guys. And in this one, the important dates already I told you. I will just directly take you to the different positions. First one is the controller of examination, 78,800 rupees per month. Qualification, master's degree with at least 55% of marks and at least 15 years of experience as assistant professor in the academic level 10 and above, or 8 with 8 years of service in the academic level 12, or else comparable experience in research establishment, or else 15 years of administrative experience, of which 8 years shall be as a deputy registrar. And next one is a librarian, 47,600 rupees per month. And the qualifications required here is master's degree in library science or information science or documentation with at least 55% of marks and at least 13 years as a deputy librarian, evidence of innovative library service, and a consolidated APA score requirement of 400 points. And the desirable is also mentioned, so you may check down. And assistant professor category, physical education, 56,100, master's degree with 55% of marks. Apart from this one, the candidates must have the UGC NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there. Okay, so and anyhow the 5% relaxation is provided based upon the caste category. Next one is assistant professor in the sports science. Okay, under the general category, one vacancy is there, 56,100, and master's degree in physiology, sports physiology, exercise physiology, sports science with 55% of marks with a NET cleared or PhD. Okay, graduation in science subjects, working experience in field of exercise and sports physiology will be preferred. NET, SLET or SET shall not be required for such master's program in disciplines the exam is not conducting. Fine. So these are all the positions. And next one, the assistant professor, 2 vacancies are there under the yoga category, 56,100. Same, a good academic record with at least 55% of marks at the master's degree in yoga. And apart from that one, the candidate must have the UGC NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there. And coming to the next position, yoga instructor, 1 vacancy, 35,400 rupees per month, any graduate with 55%, postgraduate diploma of at least 1 year duration in yoga, level 2 of yoga professional competence and practical experience in yoga in a reputed institutes. Fine. And age not exceeding the 30 years. Next, physical fitness trainer 35,400. The qualifications required here are BPED or graduate in physical education and sports or sports science, and PG diploma in health fitness, or else master's degree certificate with 60 hours of training in health or fitness and exercise instruction. Fine. So these are all the different points regarding this recruitment notification, guys. Pay scale as per the 7 CPC or pay matrix. Fine. So I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, so all the interested candidates may check down clearly what is the procedure to apply for this one. Fine. And the final one is the eligibility. It is from the university, that is Indian Maritime University, a central university from Government of India. So it requires a programmer. Age is not more than the 40 years and experience 1 to 2 years. Education bachelor's degree in computer science or IT, or PG in computer science or computer applications. And coming to the skills required are given here, so you may check down. Salaries in between 25,000 to 30,000 rupees per month, and the initially up to 6 months contract. Okay, and few other conditions are provided. Fine. The TADA will not be provided for the attending of interview or the skill test. Okay, so these are the different university recruitment notifications, guys. So one is the Indian Maritime, second one is the Maharaja Bhupender Singh Punjab Sports University, and next one is University of Delhi, and coming to the next one is University of Hyderabad, and next one is University of Kerala. So most of these are central universities. Fine. So please utilize this opportunity and don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. Fine. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay. And from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge per 1 month. And if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.